is Germany, and today we are visiting the city of Passau, located in the state of Bavaria. This city is famous for three main reasons. The first reason is its location near the borders of three countries. There is a special point here where Austria is on the right, the Czech Republic on the left, and Germany is the third. The second reason is that three rivers meet in Passau: the Inn, the Ilz, and the Danube. These rivers merge here to form a single river, and the view from this spot is absolutely stunning. Interestingly, the waters of these three rivers are different colors, which makes this place even more unique. The building you see in front used to be the residence of the Crown Prince. It is now open to visitors for a small fee. This is also a great spot for families. There are swings for children, and you can relax while enjoying the beautiful view of the rivers merging. The old town of Passau is also worth exploring. The city's famous cathedral, built in 1070, and its museum are among the oldest in Germany. So whenever you visit, make sure to see the city and its historic landmarks.